Hey everybody, welcome to this episode of Free Talk Friday. Today is July 29th, 2016 at 1:17 p.m. Welcome. This is Free Talk Friday number 50, I think it's 50. Yeah, no, it's got to be 50. I think the last one was 49. So we're 2 away from a year of Free Talk Friday. Like this is pretty close, man. This is a year, like holy shit, almost a year of me rambling about bullshit. But this week I got my tests back from math. Now if you don't know, I already got my communications degree, but I am finishing up some other stuff, so when I transfer I can go to another college and get my bachelor's. But I have to take a prerequisite math class. It's intermediate algebra 2, so it's not hard, but like the thing is, like, it's an accelerated class, so it's only like 5 or 6 weeks. And I've taken 2 out of the 4 tests already, but, well, there's 5, including the final, but of the main tests, there are 4, and every time I take a test, I'm convinced that I have an A. Like, there is no way I don't have an A, right? But I keep getting B's. And so, like, here's the first test. I got a 167 out of 200. Now that is an 83.5%, if I remember correctly. Now the first problem I got wrong was one of these state the domain problems. Now I got that wrong. There we go. Now I got that wrong, and if you know anything about intermediate math or anything like that, you can see pretty obviously why I got it wrong, and it was a mistake on my part. Yeah, and then I think the next one I got wrong was a pretty easy mistake. Yeah, this one was pretty easy too. I didn't graph negatives all the way, and so apparently there was a curving area over here that I didn't get to, so I didn't graph that correctly, and yeah, I got this wrong because I put, like, can't be 0 somewhere. Where am I? It's, like, hard to see. I don't know. I fucked up on this one, though. And it's, like, little shit like that fucked me up. I think I got the rest of it right. Oh, yeah, there was, like, one thing I got wrong in here, too. It's, like, a whole mess of shit. Like, there was, like, one little thing on this problem that I got wrong. But it's, like, little shit that I was getting wrongs, like, negatives, not completing things, and stuff like that. So when I got this was the first test. So when I got it back, I was like, shit, like, I swore I got an A, I got an 83%, whatever, it doesn't matter. All I need is a C to pass this class anyway, so I don't really give a fuck. But still, like, it irritated the shit out of me. So, on the second test, I took it, here's the second test, by the way. It's purple, that one was green, this one's purple. This test, I got an 81.5%. That's 163 out of 200. Now, on that test, I got done like an hour before, like, the test, like, needed to be done by, and, like, I was, like, the first one done, so I sat there, and I was like, okay, I'm pretty sure I got everything right. Just to make sure, I'm gonna go back and check. So I went back and checked, and I corrected 1 or 2 things, and I was like, okay, I got a 100%, like, if not, like, 99%, right? So I turned it in. I got the first 2 problems wrong because of the and or thing. I didn't pay attention to that, and that's my fault. Even when I went back and checked, I completely disregarded it. So on these problems, if you can tell, like, that says or, so when I wrote it in interval notation, somewhere over here, I can't quite, there we go, wait, there we go. So I wrote it in interval notation, I fucked up. Same thing on the second question, I fucked up again. I don't know if you guys can see that, I can't really, there we go. So I fucked up again. Like, that's my fault. That's totally my fault because I totally forgot about that. Whatever. But this one pisses me off. Number 4. Now, he gave me 3/4 credit because I didn't show work on my graph. Now, these graphs, now, if you don't know, these graphs are pretty fucking easy to graph. Alright, now, I'm not the smartest guy in the universe. I know that. But I made it to pre-cal in high school. And, like, these graphs are fucking easy. All you gotta do is fucking plot them. And then just, like, you do the 0 as the X and Y. Boom, like, it's super easy to do. But he wanted me to show work? What work? What work can I show for that? So that irritated me, that he gave me 3/4 credit, even though I got it right, because I didn't show work. And, like, he had circled something but then X'd it out because I guess like he thought I did something wrong, but I didn't. I don't know. But like that's what irritated me, because like I should have had slightly higher than an 81%. But it's like every time I take a test, I think I got an A, and like I keep getting B's. But like this one was an 83%, right? This one's an 81%. I'm worried that next time I take a test, I think I'm gonna get an A, and it's gonna be like a 79%. And then my grade is gonna slowly like just go down, and I'm gonna be like on like the final, like on the wire. Like I need like a 90% on the final to like pass the class. And you know, I'm not gonna be a math professor or anything, so you know, I'm not too worried about it. I just need to take this class and like one other class, and I'm done with math. I don't think I ever really need to touch it again, because like I'm trying to get my history degree. So it's like, what the fuck am I gonna use math for? I'm not taking archaeology or anything, or not archaeology. Well, even then, like I'm not even taking archaeology. So like even then, I don't even need math. So what the fuck? I was trying to say architecture though, but yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much what my week's been like. It's been fucking filled with bullshit math exams, but I'm almost done with that class, so that's pretty cool. And then next semester I take one more math class, and then I'm fucking on to my new college, so it should be pretty dank. Anyways, your guys' question for this week, what was your favorite subject in school? Or if you're still in school, what is your favorite subject? If you're in college, obviously your favorite subject is more than likely your major, unless your favorite subject is like botany, but you want to make money, so you're doing engineering. But in high school, what was your favorite subject? I think my favorite subject was PE, because I didn't have to do a damn thing in that class. But yeah. So anyways, go ahead and let me know what your guys' favorite subject was in the comments. Go ahead and like me on videos, and subscribe to my mailing service, and you will get all the magazines that I don't have. Anyways, thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.